In the build-up to the OnePlus 8 launch, we heard a lot about the budget member of the series. But even the launch event happened, only the base device and the OnePlus 8 Pro showed up. So, what happened to the OnePlus 8 Lite? The OnePlus 8 Lite, or OnePlus Z as some leaks suggest the phone could be called, would address the concern many people had with the OnePlus 8 series. Due to big price hikes up from the OnePlus 7 series, there is no real affordable entry in the range. Some people want a new OnePlus phone without paying the premium that the main OnePlus 8 series requires. And that's why many are still excited about the prospect of the 8 Lite or OnePlus Z. And in this video, we have put together everything we know about the upcoming OnePlus Z device so far. Make sure you watch this entire video so that you don't miss anything about this device. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss our videos in future. Alright guys, let's talk about the device in detail. We would expect the OnePlus Z to look a lot like the OnePlus 8 lineup that just debuted. But design and display are two areas. OnePlus might cut corners to keep costs down. Instead of the AMOLED panels and glass materials used in the OnePlus phones, the OnePlus Z could instead turn to an LCD screen. And that's a typical move for phone makers producing budget phones. TrueTech has posted a photo that reportedly shows off the OnePlus Z. And if it is accurate, it gives us an idea of how this budget phone might differ from the OnePlus 8 lineup. For starters, the screen is flat, not curved as it is on the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. The front camera cutout is now in the top center of the display instead of the left corner, and the bezel seems a little bit more noticeable. Rumors are a little bit more definitive here, where the OnePlus Z is likely to feature a less powerful processor than the Snapdragon 865 chipset that powers the more expensive flagships in the OnePlus lineup. Instead, the same sources who have been talking about the OnePlus 8 Lite specs suggest the OnePlus Z will have a MediaTek Dimensity 1000 system on chip that is nowhere near as powerful as a top-of-the-line Snapdragon processor. But it would come with 5G connectivity along the OnePlus Z to join the ranks of 5G phones that cost less than $600, which is expected to grow as 2020 goes on. Lingering OnePlus 8 Lite rumors had that phone getting multiple rear cameras, something we would expect the OnePlus Z to carry over. Some rumor mongers have suggested that OnePlus Z might have a similar camera setup to the OnePlus 8, which blend a 48-megapixel main camera with a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter and 2-megapixel macro lens. OnePlus has been increasing the size of the batteries powering its smartphone as of late, in part because of the extra power 5G connectivity requires. The OnePlus Z could see a 4000 mAh battery, which would not be as big as the 4300 mAh power pack in the OnePlus 8. We would expect OnePlus budget phone to still include the company's Warp Charge 30T technology for faster charging. However, we would not expect wireless charging, which for now is limited to the premium OnePlus 8 Pro. Since the OnePlus Z was a no-show in April, when might OnePlus get around to rolling out a budget version of the newly released OnePlus 8 flagship? The phone maker typically goes 6 months between device launches, with a T version of its aspiring flagship launching in the fall and delivering improvements on features like camera, battery life, and more. OnePlus T devices are usually variations on its flagships, not budget versions like the OnePlus Z is rumored to be, so that phone could be on different releases schedule. A tweet from MaxJ, another one of those anonymous leakers who takes to Twitter to post details about upcoming phones, has tweeted out an image of what looks to be a OnePlus Z promotional graphic touting a July 2020 launch date. Price is another big question mark over the device. Due to the nature of handset, we would expect it to be available for less than $500 or 33,500 Indian rupees. Since OnePlus used to be known for its affordable phones that could rival premium devices, it is likely the company will aim for a low price tag. So guys, this was our detailed talk on the upcoming OnePlus Z device. I hope you liked this video. If yes, then smash the like button. And if you guys have any question in your mind, then you can comment it down below. Also subscribe to our gadgets friendly channel, Gadgets Times.